Okay, we're gonna be going up the escalator. I love escalators.
You're at the OTC. Did you know that?
What is the OTC?
Ogilvie Transportation Center.
Okay, cool. Get your face in the camera.
Okay, that's enough of my face. You want to break the camera?
Yeah.
Boo!
Boo.
It's Christmas today. Happy Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Okay.
Boo, boo.
Oh, go get the board. Get the board, buddy.
Get what board?
Hold on, before you go in, I want to look at this board.
What
Because I got to
board?
see what track we're on.
Can I have a munchkin?
Yup. Munchkins. Munchkins are good. Hey, do this.
I just
Munchkins.
realized I'm still recording.
We got munchkins.
We're tracking.
Munchkin tracking.
Boo.
Boo.
Merry Christmas, boo.
On the box at all times. Oh god, wait.
It do say ho ho ho. Not boo.
Not boo.
Just say ho ho ho. Not boo. Oh, Merry Christmas. Yeah.
Oh, more of these. Yes. What's up? Hey, Veronica.
Lucky.
I want a munchkin.
Where's the man? Very good man.
What's that? You're recording the trains?
Look at this.
There's a bathroom here, so if you guys want to get in this train, go ahead.
Wait, we're gonna ride on this train?
You might as well get on this train anyway.
Okay, we're gonna ride it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Hit that button where it says push to open. It will automatically open.
Oh gosh.
There's nobody on this.
Okay, just flip a couple seats so we can go.
Go. Wish you could get like a clear enough view of the outside. I mean, you can definitely see me right there. Hi. Hey, Dad.
Hello.
Hey, Rowan. Wait, no, she has the munchkins. I need to move.
Okay.
Goodbye.
Me too.
Yeah, the guy put the long john in upside down.
What do you
Wait,
say?
what is it?
Wait.
What is it?
They put it upside down.
Yeah, she does not see outside. Crap. Oh, the light. You still can't see. Okay. Whatever.
Kelly, if you want a munchkin, we have a munchkin.
Hey, what's up?
Thanks for offering what we eat. Oh, thank
Skylar.
God I didn't do anything to
I'm
it.
gonna.
No.
Okay. Veronica.
Not.
Okay, Rowan. Oh, is this the first time you're gonna be in the truck?